points, and the formula is CnH2n. So it is alkene. So the ending will be ene instead of ane. So what will be the first compound? It is methene instead of methane. It is methane. The second member will be ethene. The third member will be propene. The fourth member will be butene. For alkane, it is pentane. So for alkene, it will be pentene. Sixth member will be hexene, heptene, octene. Ninth member is nonene and dekene. So it's very easy to remember these names. For alkane, the ending is ane. For alkenes, the ending is ene. And for alkynes, the ending is yne. Okay, got it. So we'll write the chemical formula for all the members of alkene family now. So what is the formula? CnH2n. So the number of carbon atoms is n and H is 2n, the double. So the first member, if we put n is equal to 1, so what will be its chemical formula? C1 and H2. So CH2. Okay. Then for ethene, if we put n is equal to 2, C2H4. So for propene, it is C3H6. For butene, we have to put n is equal to 4. So 2 into 4 is 8, C4H8. For pentene, it is C5H10. Hexene, C6H12. You can see it's very easy to write a molecular formula if we remember the main formula. For heptene, it is C7H14. Octene, C8H16. Nonene, C9H18. And dekene, C10H20. So these were the 10 members of the alkene family. Now how to write the structural formula? So as we have seen for the alkane family, we can see it for the alkene family. So it is possible to write the structural formula from ethene because a double bond is formed between two carbon atoms. So we minimum need two carbon atoms. So there is no structural formula for methene. So we can say that methane doesn't exist. So the alkene family starts from ethene.